welcome to my channel. Today I would like to organize my home screen with you guys and show you how I use my widgets, how I create them, and also some extra tips and tricks. Before we begin, I would like to say that English is my second language, so if I make any mistakes, please ignore them, and I'm so sorry for that. Now I am showing you the before, how my phone look, what widgets that I use and how I use them. I'll keep the base design same because it works for me very well. I just changed the theme and colors and photos and stuff. So let's begin. At first, of course, I am going to do Pinterest and choosing some wallpapers and photos according to my new theme. I wanted to go something purple and lilac this time, so I already chosen some photos. I am just downloading them to my phone first. I also wanted to show you some color examples that I found on Pinterest. You can also easily find them and decide your theme like that. There are some really cool color combos. Now firstly, I am choosing my background wallpaper because I would like to choose that first and then create my widgets accordingly. Now I'm just choosing and deciding which one to go. I am doing some back and forths. You already seen the final result in the intro, so I'm just changing constantly the background. Now I'm going to the Widgetsmith app. I think you already know that. And I am now changing already existing calendar widget. There are some really cool options I'm showing you. There are some really cool themes that you can choose from, or you can customize. I choose to customize in a second. Yes, you can change tint colors, background colors, border colors. Also, you can add some artwork and you can change the font. So I'm organizing these. It's really fun actually to create your own colors, own design on this Widgetsmith app. It's really useful. Now I'm changing the background again because I didn't like the other pink one. Now I will create a new small widget. I will create a photo. As you can see, I'm selecting the photo from my album that I downloaded from Pinterest before. I'm choosing this purple cloudy one. Now I am tapping the old one and I say edit Widgetsmith and I choose the number of my new widget and tada, it's here. That easy. Now I am gonna create some other widget that is large. Sorry, I think it's medium. I'm gonna put it here. Again, edit widget screen and choose a number. So at this point, I'll decide to go plain background, plain purple background because it looks more neat. I like to keep my home screen very basic and useful and minimum. Now I'm changing the clock widget's color because I already like the design, so I'm changing the color only. I'm seeing if it works. It works most of the time. Now I'm gonna add another photo, another purple one. I love this cat one, so I'm obviously adding that. I'm adding this to the top. Now I'm going to show you how to create your own wallpaper from PicsArt. So in the PicsArt, you're choosing a based photo, and now I am choosing to add another photo on top of them, and I am adding some shadows. I found these both photos from Pinterest, and I'm adding some border, and I am downloading the photo on my phone. Now I'll use this as a widget. This PicsArt app is really useful for creating your own wallpapers. You can get really creative in that app. So my reminder widget is done. Now I really didn't like the color of the calendar widget, so I wanted to change that a bit more. The second page is okay for me, my home screen, but the first page I am a little bit unsure about it, so I am changing it constantly. It's really easy to use that, actually. Use that app. You can really get creative also. I'm changing the calendar color again. I know, bear with me here because I am really indecisive, but I'm starting to like it more. Now I will show you how to add a new widget, because I didn't add my own home screen. I am showing you at the new screen. I'm just adding a Spotify widget, and I am choosing a Widgetsmith small widget, and I add, and I press and hold and merge them together. And as you can see, they are on top of each other. They are stacked together. I like stacking widgets together because on top I'll put some aesthetic one, and on underneath I'll put the actual widget that I will use. So you can add medium widgets, small widgets, and large widgets like that easily. And you can change the order of the widgets after you put them together. Now I'm just deleting and going back to my original home screen. I also will show you my lock screen. This is before, this is after. I like to keep the theme all together. And that's it, guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like if you do, and I'll see you on next one. Bye.